I'm going to put this part D at the bottom, and these are going to line up, and the same thing here. We're going to get these to line up.
What?
I don't know why it's not going to
It's coming off already.
Guys, hold tight. Mason, come, I need you to hold tight here. Hold this one tight, okay? We're gonna put this screw.
It's loose here.
Yeah, no. Oh God.
Stop moving.
So in order to facilitate, we turned it on its side so we could use gravity. And we're screwing this in, except these are not lining up. So pause. And put these ones into these holes, and if you zoom into the hole, you can see the metal dowel there, and I suspect we will be tightening those from here later. So we'll put it in this way with the open side facing to the screw there, and okay, so we put those 4, and we have 4 more in the middle.